If you are a beginner, if you are a student, if you are a homemaker who really want to speak this language but you don't know how to start, in this video I'm going to tell you how to started my English speaking journey alone at home and without partner. Yes guys, every day every day I'm talk to my daily routine. Yes guys, I wake up early in the morning, I worship God, I go to the kitchen, I go to the uh, uh, I do this work, I do the dishes. Yeah, I wash this cloth. Yes, every day I'm talk to my daily routine. Every day I'm go to the mirror and express my thought. I lots of grammatical mistake, but I'm try to speak. Every day I'm try to speak. Every day I'm try to speak only few sentence, and you will try to the only few sentence, only 5 and 6 sentence you try to speak. Yes, guys. And my second thing is I'm listening simple story. I'm listen conversation video. I'm listen to podcast. Yes, and I have lots of observations, because observation is the most of important. Your lots of observations. Your mind is a lots of, you catch this catch these questions, you catch this sentence. Yes guys. And my third thing is I'm shadow technique. every day every day I'm simple, I take this the I watch this the simple story, and I have repeated this the sentence. Yes, this video pause and I'm repeated this the sentence every day. Every day I'm try to the only 5 sentence 6 sentence. And my fourth thing is I'm thinking English. Yes guys, I'm go to the bathroom, I'm wash this cloth and I'm thinking English. I do the dishes, I'm thinking English. Yes guys. And I'm go to the walk, I'm thinking English. Yes guys, thinking English is the most of important, because thinking English you're lots of making this a sentence. Yeah. And uh, you rectify your mistakes. Okay, you rectify your mistakes. And your house is a lots of things, you describe these things. This is a fridge, this is a pen, this is a cupboard, this is a TV. Yeah, this is a my behind this a filter. Yeah, this is a filter, aquaguard. You describe these things. Okay. And every day you talk, because you are not open your mouth, you will not speak very well. Yes guys, and you are recording yourself. Okay, thank you watching this my video is like and subscribe. Your one likes I have motivate for me, and I have made this video. Keep learning, keep practicing. I will meet next video. Bye bye.